स्क्रीन नहीं चलेगा।
हाँ।
Introduction. We are discussing first of all of introduction of the revenue recognition. So then second one we have to discuss history of accounting standard 9. So we have to discuss accounting standard 9 history. Accounting standard 9 is recognized. This standard was issued by the ICAI in the year of 1985. The Accounting Institute of Chartered Accountant of India, this is issued in year of 1985, and in this initial year it was recommended for only level 1 enterprises, but was mandatory for all other enterprises from April 1st 1993. As per ICI, enterprises means a company is defined in section 3 of the Companies Act 1956. Level 1 enterprises are those enterprises whose turnover for the immediately preceding accounting year exceed 15 crores. The turnover does not include other incomes, and it's applicable for holding as well as subsidiary companies. The introduction of revenue recognition. This standard deals with the basis revenue in the statement of profit and loss, of an enterprises. The standard is concerned with the recognition of revenue arising in the cases of the ordinary activities of the entrepreneurs from the sales of goods, rendering of services. Then third one is the users by other of enterprises such as yielding interest, royalties, and third one is dividend. We have to discuss interest. First one is interest. Interest is based on the time. It is one type of agreement. Is make agreement the time of pass. It will be recorded. The time of agreement is passed. Then we have to recognize. Revenue is recognized on the
संजू
time
सर,
proportion basis.
सर
After taking account the
ಸಂಜು ಸರ್, एक ಮಿನಿಟ್ रुकिए. ಮೊಹಸಿನ್ ಸರ್, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್?
yeah sir.
ಸರ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್, ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಹಾಂ, ಅದೇ ಸರ್. ಮತ್ತೇನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಲೇಟರ್ ಆನ್ ಸರ್.
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್, ಹಾಂ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಂ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
Yes, sir. The amount of an outstanding and the rate of application. We have to take one example. If the interest on FD is due on 13 June and 13 June to 31st December, on 31st March when the book will be closed. So the interest for the period of January to March will be received in the June. Still we have to recognize the revenue in March itself. So then second one is royalty. Royalty is only it's one type of an agreement. Royalty is one type of agreement. The condition is satisfied, that time it is be recorded. The royalty includes the charge how trademarks and copyrights revenue has to be recognized on the basis of uh, accurate basis in accordance with the relevant agreement. For example, if the royalty is payable based on the number of companies of the books, then it has to be recognized on the basis only. Third one is dividend. Dividend revenue has to be recognized when the owner of the right to be received payment is established. It is only certain when the company declare the dividend. It is declared in the general annual meeting. It's declared by the company. That time it is be recognized. Meaning and definition. And part of the introduction and history, we have to discuss the meaning and definition. Then first one is the meaning of revenue. Meaning of revenue. Revenue is the gross inflow of a cash. It is nothing but a gross inflow of a cash, receivable or other consideration arising in the case of the ordinary activities of an enterprises for the sales of goods, rendering of services, and used by other entrepreneurial resources. We have discussed in introduction for yielding interest, royalty, and one is the dividend. These are the this is the meaning of a revenue. Then we have to discuss the meaning of recognition. What is the meaning of the recognition? It is a process of recording and reporting an item. It is nothing but a process of recording and reporting in a financial statement. That is the recording of the statement of the financial. How to discuss the principle of recognition. Then a part of this next our discussion is principles or rules of the revenue recognition. So we have to, when revenue is recognized, the company all income are recognized, all we discuss when we write in the books of incomes. So we have taken this one example. When to recognize, if assume that I sell a goods on 28th February, then payment is received on 5th April. So when we have to write it is income, or we have when we recognize, so that time we have to recognize on 24th February, because we have to sell all the goods, and we have that time we have to recognize. Then we have to take one more example. A person, Vipin, a company sold books to Vipin, sell on 20 Feb 2020. Then Vipin pay the amount on 5/4/2021. The financial year is changed. So company when consider it is sell, write in books, the company that's write in the books on 28 Feb 2020, it is considered revenue sell. Then one more third condition is there, that is when company sold a book for a Vipin, it's 3 books. A book is 5,000, B is 6,000, then C is 7,000. Total is 18,000. Vipin pay, unfortunately, Vipin is pay the all payment. Then he think that the payment, I sold a book for missingly 5,000 book, the price is 7,000. I sold that books on 5,000. So then they recognize the I have sold the book 2,000 cheaply. Then the company is called to Vipin, then say the A book price is 7,000, but we sold to 2,000. So please give me 2,000 more. So that type of condition when we have to recognize the company, when this time the company is called to Vipin, then Vipin will be say, oh, okay, I will be pay amount. So that time we have to recognize. Otherwise we did not recognize that is our revenue. That is the revenue recognition, some example. Then second one is when it is recognized. It's recognized when it is earned. Then second one is realized and first one is earned, second one is realized, and third one realizable. So when it is earned means when service is provided, when we have to provide the service, when the product is delivered. Second condition is product is delivered. Then third condition is when company has completed the sale agreement, earning process is completed, not necessary when cash is received. That the 3 condition will be fulfilled, that time we have to recognize it is the earned. For example, a customer, assume that Rahul given me advance on 15/3/2020 and say 5/4/2020 you have to sell, you have to deliver to goods. So that time we have to receive advance. So that time we have to recognize revenue, because that time we have to know that the amount is whenever it is come, because its sale process is completed. So we have ensured that our goods are sold. so that time we have to recognize. Then second one is realizable. Realizable when goods and services are exchanged for a cash or claim to cash. That time we have to recognize. For example, interest or share dividend. If a time interest, we have to ensure that dividend is. We have to claim a bond. That time we have to ensure that the dividend is we have received, and whenever it's come we have to receive. That time we have to record. That third one is sales on credit. That's revenue is realizable when asset received are we have to ensure that that is received. That time we have to realize. Then third one is realizable. If that third condition realizable is the revenue is realized when asset received are convertible into a unknown amount of a cash. So we have to discuss its what we have to easily understand with the one type of example. If a person purchase for a new car, so that time he realized that I have to purchase one new car, so one more old car is available from her. That time he go to the market and he sell the car, old car, then he purchase the new car. Then both of time the amount is received from the old car, that is convertible cash. Then with the new amount is he pay, that is the realizable. There are three conditions, or there are three rules, the principle of revenue recognition. Then we have to last division. When the completed transfer to the time you recognize revenue, because it's legal obligation of the file. Because that is completed, we have to recognize the revenue. Revenue recognition may have it's different when it is come to us GAAP and IFRC, but they also have their similar. That main thing they have income is how company are to be recognized revenue. Once revenue is both realized, realizable and earned, can be company recognize their revenue accordingly. So this is the part of the then we have to discuss last reference. I have taken material from ICI material, the Institute of Chartered Accountant of India, and second accounting system written by the author Chandrasekhar. Third one is Calicut University material. Thank you for today's my seminar. Thank you for all.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू सो मच. या प्लीज़ आप जूम करो, फेस जूम करो.
यस सर. ये नहीं हो रहा जूम.
संजीव कुमार सर,
Sir,
सर एनी डाउट्स, एनी कमेंट्स है?
no doubt, sir. See, he is explained excellently, sir.
ಸರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ದಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್ ಅದು ಪಿ ಪಿ ಟಿ.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್.
ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎನಿ ಸಜೆಷನ್ ಸರ್? ಸರ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಸರ್?
ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಮತ್ತೇನಾದರೂ ಸರ್ ಸಜೆಷನ್ ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು?
ಸಜೆಷನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್.
ವಾಯ್ಸು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇದ್ರೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಓಕೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಸರ್, ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಸರ್?
ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್, ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ದೆನ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್, ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್, ದೆನ್ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್.
Okay, that will be added advantage. Okay.
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್.
Yeah, any other questions from the audience? Question from the audience? ಅಮ್ಮ ಕವಿತಾ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನು?
ಇಲ್ಲ ರೀ ಸರ್.
ಏನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಲ್ರಿ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ರೀ.
ಓಕೆ. ಅಮ್ಮ ಕೀರ್ತಿ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಕ್ವಶನ್?
No, sir.
ನೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ವಸಂತ, ಅಮ್ಮ ವಸಂತ, ವಸಂತ, ವಸಂತ,
ಹಾಂ ರೀ ಸರ್.
ಏನಾದರೂ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ರಮ್ಮ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ರೀ ಸರ್.
ಒಬ್ರು ಕೇಳಲ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಚಂದ್ರಕಲಾ,
ಹಾಂ ರೀ ಸರ್.
ಏನಾದರೂ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ರಮ್ಮ?
ಸರ್ ಏನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಐತ್ರಿ?
ಅವರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಮೋಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ರಮ್ಮ?
ಸರ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಐತ್ರಿ, ಸೂಪರ್ ರೀ, ಮಸ್ತ್ ಐತ್ರಿ ಸರ್,
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ.
ಸೊ ದ ವೇ ದಟ್ ಹಿ ಡಿಡ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಆ್ಯಪ್, ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡನ್ರಿ, ನಾವ್ ಬಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವ್ರಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಮಗ್ ಇರ್ತದ್ರಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮಗೂ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ, ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಏನು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಾತಿಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಇವನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಇಮೇಜಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇವನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೋ ಮೋರ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಯು ದ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಬೈ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿಯೇ, ಮತ್ತೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಮೇ किए ना जी मोहसिन?
हाँ सर, मोबाइल में ही क्या सर?
ಹಾಂ, ಸೊ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ನೋಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇವನ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇವನ್ ನೀವು ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಬರಬೇಕು, ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಇಮೇಜಸ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸು, ಇಮೇಜಸ್ಸು ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ಅಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ದ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸಸ್, ಇವನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಟು ಶೇರ್ ದ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಅದು ಭಾಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅದ ರೀ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಆಲ್. ಸೊ ಅದು ಭಾಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಆಲ್ एंड राइट योर नेम. जो भी आप लिखते हैं ना, नाम लिखना चाहिए. ओके,
Yes sir.
पीजी डिपार्टमेंट
हाँ,
ऑफ
सर।
कॉमर्स, ओके हो गया, बट यू नीड टू राइट योर नेम आल्सो. दैट विल बी एडेड एडवांटेज. नेम फॉलोड बाय योर रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर ಅದನ್ನು ಬರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್.
Okay sir.
देन कंटेंट, आफ्टर दैट कंटेंट you need to write explanation जो भी है, that is also very good. So when you have added some sort of images, that is awesome presentation. Okay, so this is called as whiteboard presentation. Okay, so whatever he has done na, amma Chandrakala ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ?
ಹಾಂ ರೀ ಸರ್, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳತ್ತಿದೆ.
ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ವೈಟ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ನ್ಯೂ ಎರಾ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಮೊದಲು ಇದಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಿಲ್ರಿ. ಇದು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ದು ಇದು ಬರ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಕೈದು ಇದು ಬರ್ತಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ವೈಟ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಅವರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಆಡೆಡ್ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಎರಡೂ ಸರ್ತಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಝೂಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇವನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿಸಿಬಲ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ
ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನೀಟ್ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ.
ಎಸ್, ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನೀಟ್ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಡೆಡ್ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ನೋಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಬಟ್ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಸೊ ಕೇವಲ ಹೈಲೈಟ್ಸು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಯಾ, ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್, ಎನಿ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್? Mohsin, what is the difference between realized and realizable in accounting standard 9?
So
Realized
difference between
realized and realizable. You have taken two words, realized and realizable,
Sir.
if I am not wrong.
Yes sir.
Realizable
when
means
goods realizable when goods and services are exchanged for a cash or client to cash sir.
okay,
That time it's realizable sir.
okay. Realized,
Realize means sir, if a person is issue a bond sir, that time they ensure that they have to receive dividend anytime sir. She ensured that he ensured that he received dividend.
Okay, okay,
So he received some of commissions from bonds. At that time, it's realized, sir.
okay. So who, when it was came into picture, accounting standard 9, AS 9,
AS9,
कब ये
sir, in
हाँ,
1985, sir. 1985, sir.
okay. Who issues these accounting
Recognize,
standards?
ICAI, sir. Institute of Chartered Accountants, sir.
Okay. Who formulate these accounting standards means ये accounting standards कौन formulate करता है?
Sir, maybe sir ICAI करता हूँ sir.
ASB, that is Accounting Standard Board. Okay, Accounting Standard
हाँ sir,
Board.
ASB sir.
ASB, that is Accounting
Okay,
Standard
yes,
Board,
sir.
has coming up with these kinds of, okay, so Accounting Standard 9,
Yes,
that
sir,
is
yes, sir.
exclusively related to revenue recognition. Okay,
Yes sir. Yes sir.
okay, yeah. Any other doubts? Any other doubts? No doubts. Okay, so I thank Mohsin also for giving her a wonderful presentation, and I request everyone to take a note of this kind of presentation. Okay, so I am expecting these kinds of presentation yakandre, so that is very clear and that is very visible. Okay, hope that you inculcate all these things in your next presentation ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಂತ. With that expectation, I thank even Mohsin, and even I thank Dr. Sanjeev Kumar sir. So for
Okay, sir.
sharing, sir, I thank you also for sharing your valuable time and making this session very lively, because your presence is very, very important, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, I thank even Sanjeev Kumar sir and even Mohsin.